Hi mga kamutya! Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magbabanding sa mga kids. Wala kasing klase eh. It's a weekend, so banding with the kids together. So let's start it. Yun sila, nagple-play ang mga kids. Hi! I forgot. It's okay because don't have people here. Hey!
Susie, we two are holding this sailor.
Yeah, it's a very cute.
Still made one new.
Where?
For the
Yeah, it's a new one. Look at. But this time is not really ready yet. Is it? You wanna come down?
What time that way is ready?
A few days like that. Yeah, they were just only putting some paint. Few days, we never know. Just not exactly time.
The caterpillar say, sayang pera, sayang putih, sayang putih.
Is it? Oh, you know that song. And the kids, and the other one is, wow. And the other is who?
Ethan.
Wow, yay!
Auntie.
Yes, and me is kids, but we don't have another kid, so let's go running. But it's okay, don't have any paper. So I go to another kid. The name is Ethan. Or are you? Kids nga naglalaro kasi walang klase, so dito kami sa playground mag-play for a while. So and the other one also. Hello, what's your name?
Ethan.
Wow, are you happy?
Yes, I am enjoying it.
Wow, it's a great day today. Is today your favorite day? Hey! How? And the other one is keep running. Hello. Be careful. Hey, down. Ito ang mga playground. Who are you? Who are you? And another baby Ismeringhoy.
No,
You are not the Ismeringhoy?
yes,
So who are you?
Susie is, and I am not. I am Ethan.
So funny. I go to the swing. This Susie girl is so cute. I need to go. So I also need to go to the other one boy cat. Hi. I cannot read. I just go to Pintot. Kinsay para utot. Susi is para utot. Do you know is para utot, darling? is parted.
I didn't fart it.
Ethan, no, no, no. Or else I'm gonna poking your butt. Butt. Where is the two kids?
Not you.
This.
This makes me so hot.
Give me. So I have a two hats. What is? You two are cute. This time I'm gonna go to the zoo. Come here. Are you feel tired, guys? In the front. Yes, you can push. Take slowly.
Oh, and the ball.
And the ball also. Secret, so sweet. Ah, you are so very hot. Sweeting. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Is enough, Ethan? Yeah. Okay. You two together. Take picture, darling. In my back. And then Ethan. Wow, so great. And Ethan also. Ooh. Okay. You do exhibition. Darling, exhibition. Just like. She never teach you.
What time do people come?
I never know, darling. This is good. We were never wearing the mask. You are so really hot. You're. Alaga din pagkatapos. Yun lang. Tired? So we have to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
How about you? See you next time. Say bye-bye. See you next time. That is all for today.